It's day 21. The puppies are just 3 weeks old today, and this is the big hoss squirming. I just woke him up from a nap. This is Sarah. She's got like a little white spot on her chest. She's so cute. And here is the little peanut. She's got kind of a white stripe thing on her chest. Oops, she's really wiggly. Because Mom just got in the whelping box. So they want to go over there, but they're beginning to almost walk. They're using their legs. They're not quite standing up, but they're pressing up on their legs and they're able to actually crawl now. You can see how big they are compared to how big they were compared to mine just 2-3 weeks ago.